Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride.
Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this kinky straight U-part wig that I got from Amazon. The brand is called Recomtic, and she did come in this silky pink bag in its standard little Ziploc bag. The length that I got her in was 18 inches, and she also did come with a wig cap. This wig is 150% density, and I did get her for about $60 on Amazon. So the weft at the top I did realize was a little bit too bulky for my liking. She did come with 4 clips at the top and 3 wig clips, 2 at the sides, 1 at the back, an elastic band, as well as adjustable straps. This cap is a little too big. That's what I realized when I did install this hair, and the color is a 1B natural color. It does have a lot of brown highlights going throughout the hair. But if you are interested in seeing how I install this unit, then definitely keep on watching. I'm gonna install this kinky straight U-part wig, but I will not be keeping it for super long, so it's totally fine. It looks a mess, but that's what we're working with. Since the braid down is super old, I'm just going to pull out some of my edges just around the front, and this is the parting space that I left out. I'm gonna just pin up this section of my hair really quickly because I want to just kind of like straighten my edges just a tad bit. Also, the heat protectant that I'm using is the KINKY heat protectant, just so you guys know. So we're just waiting for our curling iron to heat up, and we're ready to go. And I'm just going to just press out this hair a little bit. Nothing too crazy. It's done. I'm gonna go in with my Red by Kiss Edge Fixer 24 Max Hold. Put some, kind of just leave out some space and swoop some. So what I'm gonna do now is we're going to attach the U-part wig. So to install this wig, I use the elastic band to pretty much hook it around the back of my braids, and then I use the wig clip and I pretty much just find a braid and kind of just like comb it, stick the combs, because the wig clips are kind of like mini combs. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm trying to place the hair on my head to see where it should lay, and then I'm going in and I am using those clips to pretty much just stick them into my braids and then snap them close so they kind of are stuck in place and they're pretty much tight and secured. After I've done that, I'm just gonna go in and do the side wig clips to make sure the sides are also secured. And that is pretty much how I attach the wig to my head. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to straighten this here because it is very thick up here. So that is what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna start with one side. See how well this hair can actually take some heat. I'm flat ironing at 450. I'm trying to honestly do one pass, so we'll see. The section is probably big, but
Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'll go to work, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. 춤을 춰봐 left and right. You know you feel so right. 다른 시선 따윈 don't care. 목이 터져라 소리쳐. You know you feel so right. 이제부터가 시작이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'll go to work, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I'll go to work, can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon. Can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you.
little swoopty swoop. Nothing too crazy. Meal with OGX argan and Moroccan oil. A little bit.
After straightening and doing some layers, this is pretty much how it turned out. I think my hair blended pretty well with this unit and I totally love it. I decided to, you know, do a little bumps and curl the ends a little bit just to see if it could keep a curl, and I also just liked how it looked. But pretty much this is how it turned out. It's super cute. The cap is pretty big, but the hair was really nice, especially seeing that it cost about $60. It did shed a little bit, but nothing too crazy. This hair was super easy to install, super soft. I do love it, and I'll leave it down in the description box below if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.